Hey everybody, it's Clint Arthur, and I'm making this quick review. This is a Clint Arthur review of The Edition, West Hollywood, Los Angeles, California. And I wanted to start it down here in the lobby because it's a very nice lobby. Really, it's a very nice lobby. And even though, you know, a lot of people are not in this lobby, using this lobby, it's really super nice. See? And once stupid coronavirus goes away, then you'll have access to this beautiful pool table again. So this is a really, nice artwork. Really lovely lobby. I'm not sure what's out here. I'm gonna take a look. Let's see what we got going on here. Just a little outdoor lobby. And the Edition, West Hollywood, is really trying to take advantage of the Los Angeles outdoor living mode, okay? It's really trying to take care of the Los Angeles outdoor living mode. And take an elevator up here.
Going up.
Now they wisely upgraded me to one of their premier villa suites on the 4th floor. It's a bit of a walk, but we're gonna take the walk. Oh, that's why I have so many steps, because I've been walking up and down this hall. It's a bit of a walk, but we're gonna take this walk. You'll enjoy the hallways. The hallways in this hotel remind me of like a cooler version of the W Hotel in Hollywood. It's a cooler version of the W, but not as interesting. We had a different suite earlier, and it was kind of Westin, evocative of a Westin suite, but here we are. Hey, Allie.
Hello, Mr. Bistro. How are you?
I don't know why these keys. Thank you. Thank you, Allie. All right. I don't know why these keys keep dying.
I know.
It's not good. This is the problem with these card keys. All right, you enter this suite. I've already entered it, Allie. You enter this suite. You have a little powder room over here. Little coffee station over here. Nespressos. Little dining table here. And this is actually an expensive table, and these are very high quality chairs, okay? And then you have your little living room with your big TV, and then you have your king size bedroom with another pretty big TV and a desk, right? The bathroom is very nice, full bath, tub. It's good to have a tub. The shower today was very lovely. I enjoyed the shower. Okay, but now I'm gonna show you the highlight of this villa suite. This truly is a beautiful balcony. Beautiful balcony with lounge chairs, living room area, terrific LA views. and a dining area over there with the very nice outdoor dining. And then they even have these little lamps, little candle lamps for your outdoor dining. I'm telling you guys, we were sitting out here this afternoon. You can see my coffee cup, which is evidence of us sitting out here this afternoon. And it was truly delightful, really, getting the afternoon sun. Very, very nice. This is the Edition, West Hollywood, California. Premier Villa Suite 441. 2 thumbs up. I only got one hand, but I give it 2 thumbs up. I really like this suite. It's something. Now, I've stayed in a lot of suites. I've stayed in a lot of really nice suites. And, you know, the suite itself is not as nice as that Baroness suite that I had at the Shelbourne Hotel in Dublin. And it's not as nice as the Royal suite that I had at the Westin Paris Vendôme. And it's not even as nice as that suite I had in London that Ali thought was the nicest suite she ever had in London. You know, it doesn't have the intrinsic charm of an old hotel. This is a new hotel. This has got this whole modern LA, you know, like minimalistic motif vibe to it, right? But this balcony out here, it's very nice. It's an amazing balcony, really. And it's amazing for LA outdoor living, especially here we are, it's April. And no, it's May. It's the beginning of May. It's a perfect time for outdoor living. So I really want to thank Jessica on the staff for taking such great care of us. She was really excellent at the front desk. And I'm excited about staying here for a while. Hey, if you want more of these Clint Arthur reviews of luxury hotels around the world, go to clintarthurreviews.com. You can also see lots of reviews from my clients who I've helped to become celebrities in the eyes of their customers and prospects. If you're an author, a speaker, a coach, an entrepreneur, advisor, consultant, expert of any kind, then you need me to help you to have more impact, influence, and income, so that you can be more, do more, and have more in your life as an expert. So go to clintarthurreviews.com, and I'll look forward to seeing you in more luxury hotel suites.